What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today, Naruto Shippuden Naruto. Someone brought it to my attention in the comments that I never drew just normal portrait of Naruto, the Shippuden one. And I looked at my videos and I said, oh my god, they're right. So let's remedy that right now. I'm on landscape paper, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we start with his eyes, right? Center line my page about here. Center point, just come over to the right. And then we're going to do a big curving sort of line, right? So we'll go up and around like this first. All right, kind of like that. And then it kind of hooks down the back here. So it's going to like hook down here. And you're going to thicken up the top eyelid a little bit. Okay, so we'll just thicken this up. Just making it a bit darker, just so it stands out a little bit more. Bottom eyelid then, so it's disconnected from this, so it just goes around here. So quite big eyes. Like so. And his iris, a circle just in here. If you have a coin or a compass or something that makes things easier for you, feel free. But if not, you can go for the free hand. Right, kind of like that, and then his pupil in the middle. Right, like so. Okay, so eye over the other side, so your eye width. So measure the width of his eye, that will fit in between his two eyes, and that's where the next eye sort of starts, right here. There to there, right, the same as here to here. And then you will curve your line again. So real curvy sort of eye line. Kind of touches his eyebrow, but we'll draw it in anyway. And then hooks down here, right? And then you want to sort of darken it up. Kind of skinnier at the front and darker at the back. Alright, like so. And then bottom eyelid. Again, you know, you kind of line them up. You can use a ruler if you want to like make sure things are lining up well. And then bring this across. Alright, like so. And iris and pupil again. So big circular iris. Like so, and pupil in the middle. Like that, right? So his eyebrows go underneath his headband. So what we're going to do is draw his headband coming across the top of his head first, right? So it comes across. So that's difficult to do in one pass, right? I always have to hold my breath. So, you know, if you're using a pencil, you can like sketch it lightly and erase any mistakes. And it kind of curves up here on the side. Just here. And again, it's like another eye distance over, you know, the width of his eye. That's like how far out you want to go for the headband here. to here, right? There's eyebrows, right? So he's frowning real heavily. So the eyebrows like touch the top of his eye, right? So we'll go like that. And then we add a space to color. There. Same on this side. Frown. Just touches the top of his eye. And then a space to color in. There. And then we got a nose line coming down here. Okay, so keep going with his nose. So we just have nostrils up and down. Up and down. Just there. And then his mouth. So he's got this confident sort of smile, right? So we're gonna, what do we do? So it's starting like just underneath the edge of his eye, his iris, just here, say. Yeah, so we'll do the top lip first. So it kind of curves up. Down. And up here, right? So it looks like his mouth is kind of closed at the minute. And if you want, you can leave it closed if you like that. But we can see teeth in this picture, so I'll do it as I can see it. So it goes open for the bottom lip. And then it just comes across. And then up the side. Like that, and there's a bit of shadow here, and like maybe a tooth line coming across here. A bit of shadow. And then a bottom lip line just here. Like so. And then his chin, real square. Comes across like so. I just need to clean up this eye line, I think. Okay, so proportions. Eye pupil to nose, about the same as nose to chin. See his pupil, here to here, same as here to here. And then nose to bottom lip is about the same as bottom lip to chin, right? Bottom lip halfway between nose and chin, nose halfway between pupil and chin. And you can go for his jaw. So it's a real gradual curve on Naruto, right? Not really a strong jaw until he's older. Right, so it gets to about there, about mouth level, underneath the corner of his eye, right? We'll do it in stages. We'll try and keep this side the same. Mouth, corner of the eye, and then we're going to bring it all the way up to his sideburns up here. So we might as well add these here just beside his ear, right there. Okay, and then face will go up and touch those. So we'll curve it. To there. Curve it to there. And then we have his cheek lines, 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And his ears come out from underneath his headband and beside his sideburns, so curve around here, down to the earlobe, curve around here, down to his earlobe. And then you can see cartilage and ear lines inside here. So the easiest way is just this kind of letter J sort of thing, right, like that. so. And then if you want more detail, you can add more detail. Like so. Okay, so what we can see of his hair and the rest of his headband. So we can see these sort of hair spikes sticking down right here. Just over his hair, his headband. And the headband line comes across the middle. Like that. And then we can see his metal plate, you know, the ninja leaf village plate here. Here's the side, kind of a curving line just there. And then we'll bring them across the center. Like that. And then this comes across here. Down to there. And there's like a edge line to this. There. And then we can see the spiral, so of the leaf village just here. So it's a spiral, and it has a tail like that, and a beak. So I just did it with one line, but if you wanted to do a double line to make it look like it's actually scratched in, you can. And then we have bolts stuck on here. And then the rest of his hair. Naruto, big hair spikes. It goes up all the way around, right? Real big now. Where am I? Yeah. All around. To there. And right next, neckline. There. There. And then he has a zipper that comes down the middle of, from the middle of his chin, right? So it's this kind of, so it's got like a little detail line there. Comes around. Central line like so. And then the top of his collar comes around the top, so just kind of bumps around here. Goes around the back of his neck then, and you do the same thing over this side. His zipper comes down the middle. And this can have sort of a zigzag kind of pattern on the inside. And down like that. And then down here. And then it bumps around this way. Like that. And then join these together with these bumping lines. Like so. Do another line here. And shoulder will go off this way, and it'll kind of be a bumping sort of line. And like how far out you bring your shoulder is usually the width of his face. So right here, his shoulder will like end here somewhere, right? So like be here. So width of the face, see, lines up. And I'd say here as well. Right? It's a good rule of thumb, or rule of shoulder. And then this comes down, folds on his clothing, and shoulder comes down this way. We can actually see a scroll or something on his shoulder here. like that, and then shoulder comes down to there, like so, and we can see some more hair just behind his head. Like that. And what do we got? This is his headband that flows down behind his head. And another line here. And I think that's everything. Thank you very much for watching. I can't believe I didn't draw just a standard portrait of Naruto from Shippuden. That's crazy. Thanks for letting me know. See, this is why the comments on YouTube are a good thing. People get out about it, but you know, there's good interaction, nice comments. Thanks very much, whoever you were that alerted me to this. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.